get up.
Oh, she can't get up. Go see the snowman. What is that, Janelle? No, man.
No, man. Definitely making noise.
What? Jessie.
Her kisses.
Yeah. Else.
That doesn't look like Pinocchio.
I didn't want him to look like Pinocchio. Aren't you gonna walk around with her, Kev?
Huh?
Aren't you gonna walk around with her?
Walk around with her.
I don't know if I want her going up the steps, Kev. She wants to play with the snow there. All I see is the back of you. All I see is the back of you. I didn't want you to go up the steps. Don't do it, Kev. Don't, because you might hit the camera. Please. Oh, yeah, that's funny. Kev, stop. Please don't. I forgot to change her diaper since she's been up.
Jessie.
Where'd it go?
Hey, Jess. Jess.
Throw him for... What'd she say? I don't think so. Janelle, what are you doing? Ball. Yeah, Daddy's making balls. Throwing them at poor Jessie. Here she comes, Daddy.
sleigh.
Sleigh? It's a sled. A sleigh.
Mommy should push you right in your sled and daddy your stroller. Yell at you.
Come on, Kev.
Come on now.
Come on, Janelle. And Bonnie. Come on. Watch her at the steps, Kev.
Go ahead.
What do you have? Get that out of your mouth, hon. Tell Mommy, what's in the backyard? What's in your backyard? What's outside? Janelle. What's outside? What's outside, Janelle? What's outside? Oh, you're too close. Boom. What's outside? A snowman. What are you doing, silly?